Hi guys, Andrew here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning. Today I'm here to show you a new Hilux N80 2.8 diesel dual battery kit. So we've put together this kit, everything comes labelled, fused, in split, ready to go. It features a 1225D Redarc DC-DC charger on the Redarc Bracket that's quite easy to fit, full solar regulated input through the DC-DC charger. We're using an Outback accessories dual battery tray with the fitting kit. For this kit, you can use any battery you like as long as that's N70 footprint and it can go under bonnet. Basically, it'll take you about 2.5 hours to fit and you instantly got yourself a dual battery system. If you've got any questions or comments about this kit, give us a call on 1300 227 353, comment below or email us at info@amae.net.au.